Wagwan people, it's your boy Medicine Reviews Daily, and today we're coming at you with a special new series which is Medicine Reviews Shorts. Today I'm going to review some Lindor Pistachio and we're going to fit it in the time frame of a YouTube short. So come with me out to the peaceful outside of Bolton and we're going to review this shit. Being quick, nice green exterior, characteristic of the Lindor brand. With each of their special designs, they do real colour, so the romantic ones are pink, the pistachio ones are green. Let's go. It says, "You choose the moment, we'll provide the bliss." So let's see what bliss that's at. This is the moment that they're going to provide the bliss. Let's see. Pretty fire. I thought I'd have a bit of a crunch to it, but it's smooth. It does taste like pistachio with real good